In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Android as a webcam for PC on Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you no longer need third-party apps like Cam or Cam to use your Android as a webcam. Microsoft has integrated this feature into Windows 11 via the phone link system. So this uses the official mobile camera built into your PC settings. So on Android, ensure you're running Android 14 or 15 and have the link to Windows application installed. On your PC, what you're going to do is go over to Bluetooth and other device settings, and then make sure Bluetooth is on, and you're going to see all like different devices and everything like that. And then what you want to do is go ahead and open up phone link. So I'm going to type in phone, and I'm going to see phone link right here. And it's going to say choose your device to get started. I'm going to go ahead and click on Android right there. It's going to say just a moment. You got to enter your PIN for your PC. So go ahead and enter that. And then on your PC, on your phone, all you got to do is open up the application that we downloaded, which is the link to Windows application. And then what you got to go ahead and do is scan the QR code that it shows on the screen for you. And, just let it scan fully, put it in the box, and it's going to say link your mobile device to your Microsoft account. So all you got to do is press continue. Then I see a code on my PC. So all I'm going to do is type that code in on my phone, on the application, and then it's going to basically be connecting. It's going to say check your mobile device. So I have to get a code to sign in. So I just have to go ahead and check my authenticator application on my main phone. And that's just for extra security, making sure the right person is actually, connecting both devices together. Once I go ahead and do that, it's just going to be configuring everything. It might ask you on your phone for like some permissions. So just give it the permissions and then go ahead and press continue. Go ahead and press decline. Now it says you're all set. Your mobile device is now ready to use on PC. Now, when you go on Zoom or Teams or the camera app, a notification will appear on your phone. So just tap it to start streaming, and you can switch between front and back cameras directly from your PC screen as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you did not know about yet.